Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Student Raised Boys and the Toys. Listen guys, I got another toy. So for the home, um, I found this in, I guess it was Home Depot. It's called the LED gutter lights. It's something that perked my interest because if you've been following my channel, I got my house done and I got some soffit lights that surround my house. And I have a shed that I built on my own that doesn't have any lights. And I think this is gonna fit the bill. This is a quick unboxing. We're gonna just open it up, I'm gonna install it and tell you guys what I think about it. All right, um, we have the directions here. It's 4-pack solar gutter lights and they're all in white, as you can see, and made of plastic or has an on and off switch on it. So let's take this out. Let's take a look at it. Because I wanted something just to complement my house, you know, uh, bring the shed up to par. So this may be a good look. It's for the backyard. It just gives that little accent light. Um, it comes with separate 4 packs of connectors. All right, so let's again, quick look at it. Let's get it installed and let's see how this thing operates. All right, the battery is already included in it. So the one thing I noticed, and it doesn't really say in the direction, if you do have to replace the battery, you may have to unscrew the whole unit. Yeah, yeah. If you need to replace the whole battery, yeah, it does say right here. All right, you're definitely gonna have to unscrew the whole unit, which is 4 screws. All right, and guys, I live near an airport, so I'm always getting airplanes flying over. So that's the only bummer. I wish it had an access door to make it much easier, but hey, it is what it is. So this is a quick look at it. All right, guys. I was looking over the directions. First thing you're gonna have to do before anything, you're gonna have to take this off. All right. They recommend that you have these things out in full sunlight for at least 12 hours to get fully charged before you use them. So I'm gonna set these out in the daylight for 12 hours before I mount them. While that's doing that, they also recommend that your you take your mounting brackets and you have to mount these on first. All right. So you have to decide how you're gonna mount these. All right. I'm gonna be putting mine on the gutter, so I'm just gonna be slipping it over the gutter and using one of these pressure screws to tighten it in. So they want the mounting brackets to be installed first before you put the unit in. So you put the mounting bracket on, then you'll come with the screws, and pretty much it has this little channel. Pretty much you're going to slide it in and throw a screw right in there. So mine's going to be set up something like this, all right, over my gutter. So I'm going to have to let these charge up first before I install them. But meanwhile, I'm just going to get the ladder, jump on up on my shed, and install my brackets. I have them already installed. So by the time these are charged up, I'm ready to go. All right. They give you all the screws on your application. You can put this on some type of wall or what have you, but I'm gonna use it for this purpose, gutter lights. All right. So let me get that going. All right, guys. A quick tip: before you even get up on your ladder, if you plan on installing these onto your gutter, this is what I recommend. Get your clamp, and as you can see, make sure all the screws goes in as such. All right, because this is gonna be tight. This is gonna go over your gutter, and you're just gonna be tightening down this screw. You don't want to get up on the ladder and realize as you tighten it in, it's not gonna go in. You have to come down off your ladder and find your tool. So tighten these up now. Get your little piece of pliers or whatever, and twist these things in. That they're not perfectly aligned, which is not a big deal, but you should try to get this done before you even get up on your ladder. Alright guys, and as you can see, I finally got my lights installed. Um, that screw to get it in, if it's not pretty aligned properly, it's going to be a little tough getting screwed in, but it will get there. It doesn't sit straight up parallel to the gutter. Mine is kind of tilting toward the building, which is not a big deal, which I pretty much like how it is. Um, as you can see, it has a nice warm tone to the light. And I just recently had a backyard party, and I had a couple of comments how the lights were very nice. They're very um, not overpowering, very subtle, and it's doing its job. So I pretty much mounted it, and the next day I got up on my ladder, turned the switch on, and it works fine. So if you're looking for something like this, I think it's a good look. The price was very reasonable. Um, what I put it on my main house, I think is good for a shed accent light. I don't think anything else in that. Some of my friends commented that they didn't want to use it or invest the money for soffit lights, and they think this will be good for them. It's to each his own. It is cheap plastic, and it is what it is. So easy to put up. It's serving a purpose, and I think is a good look. Again, if you're looking for that accent light, and you can mount it different ways also. So, and that's it, guys. I hope you appreciate this video. These are boys and their toys, and again, this is, I guess you can call a house toy or yard toy. Again, guys, hit that like button. Please join the channel. Hit that subscription button. And I appreciate you guys sticking with me. All right, again, it's Boys and the Toys, Studio Rays. And you guys be good out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Later.